न्यू एंड रिन्युएबल एनर्जी। सभापती महोदय, राज्यातलो कार्बन फूटप्रिंट कमी करपा खातीर नवीन आणि नवीकरणीय उर्जा खाते खरपणान वावर करता। राज्यातल्या उर्जा वापराचो ग्रीन कंपोनेंट वाडोवपा खातीर माझ्या सरकारान साबार पावलां उबरल्यात। Speaker sir, my government will formulate Green Goa Policy 2023 to achieve goal of the environment subsidy, which is very crucial for the coastal state like Goa. Under this policy, my government proposed to procure all incremental power for the state from the green source without additional financial burden. I also propose to set up a solar power generation of the capacity up to 300 MV, wherein the model will be developed on the double utility strategy. That is to set up the solar panels for the power generation in addition to the present use of land. Speaker sir, under green hydrogen policy of the central government, I propose to set up a pilot project for the generation of green hydrogen and its derivatives like green ammonia, etc. The research and development centers for the green hydrogen will set up in collaboration with the top technological institutions such as IIT Goa and BITS Goa. Speaker sir, I also propose to make Goa as a carbon credit capital of the nation. I feel proud that my government has already taken steps to go ahead with the carbon credit trading as circulated by the Government of India. And with this, we will try to create enabling the condition to bring the investment worth more than 1,000 crores in green technology and green manufacturing and create more than 10,000 green jobs for a Goan youth in the next 5 years. Speaker sir, in order to promote a renewable biogas plant in the state, I propose to provide the additional incentive of 20% for setting up of such plant in the state. Speaker sir, in order to provide to boost to the EV sale and other associate infrastructure in the state, I propose to relaunch the EV subsidy scheme this year, for which the provision of rupees 25 crores has been made. सभापती महोदय, या वर्सा आम्ही PM कुसुम योजन चालीक लायता आणि योजनेच्या तिनूय घटकाच्या अंतर्गत या योजनेचो लाव शेतकऱ्यांमेरेन पावतलो। या वर्सा नुस्तेकारांक सोलर ड्रायर दिवन नुस्तें सुकोवपाक आधार करपी नवी योजना चालीक लावपाचो प्रस्ताव आसा। हातूंतल्यान शेतकऱ्यांक आपल्या भात पीक सुकोवपाकूय आधार जातलो। सभापती महोदय, साळगांव हांगा 7.5 कोटी खर्चांतल्यान बार्देश वाठारांतल्या निर्माण जावपी दिसाक 40 टन क्षमतेचो बायोमास ब्रिकेट्स प्लांटचे उक्तावण मे 2023 भितर जातले। एप्रिल 2024 भितर अशाच तरेचो प्रकल्प दक्षिण गोंयांत सुरू करपाचोय आमचो यत्न आसा। सभापती महोदय, सरकारी खाती, शाळा, उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालयां, महाविद्यालयां, पुलीस स्थानकां, स्टेडियम, खेळ, स्कूल, उजो पालोवपी दळाच्या इमारती, बाजार संकुल, KTC बस स्थानकाचेर सगळ्या इमारतीचेर सोलार पावर प्लांट PPP बेसिसचेर बसोवपाचोय विचार आसा। या वर्सा सुमारे 25 ते 30 मेगावॅटची एकत्रीत क्षमता साकारतले।